Dave.
I'm Rhonda.
And this is
Going Somewhere Together.
Heads Carolina, tails California, somewhere greener, somewhere warmer, up in the mountains, down by the ocean, where it don't matter.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Going Somewhere Together, but this one's a little bit different because I got a new toy. And as you can see behind us, it's a drone, yes, but this is not just any drone. Check out this video. It shows it following us around. It's amazing. Well, I had this drone for quite a while, but I was kind of afraid to bring it out. And I finally, when we were in South Carolina, decided, well, you know what? If anywhere, this is the place to test it and see how it works. So that's what we're doing. It's a pretty amazing. Can't believe how well it did. Totally anonymous. I had a little beacon that I had in my hand that I could control whether it was on the left or on the right or in front or behind. And as you can see, there's branches and trees, and I mean, most people flying drones would be afraid to even fly a drone through something like this. So this little drone is quite amazing. See, look at that. It's unbelievable. So if anybody's curious, it's called a Skydio 2, and it has obstacle avoidance. It has like 9 cameras on it that actually visually look and see what it's flying through, besides the camera that you're actually using for the video. And here we are taking off in front of the lake. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but we're way down there on that dock. I thought I would take a shot up over the lake. And of course, it looks different when you're looking on the monitor, but when you get the video back, you're like, wow, that's amazing. So we're having a lot of fun with our new toy. Really going to show this, but I thought, well, what the heck. So I hope you enjoyed it. So remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe to Going Somewhere Together. See you later. Bye-bye.